Redeye Worldwide for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking for a reliable distribution platform, Redeye Worldwide might be on your radar. In this review, we're diving into what Redeye offers and who it's best suited for. Redeye is an independent distribution and marketing company that focuses on getting music to the right places globally. It's a great option for independent artists and labels looking to expand their reach, that both digitally and physically. Redeye distributes to major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon, while also supporting physical formats like vinyl and CDs for those targeting collectors or niche markets. One of the standout features is their focus on personalized service, offering hands-on marketing support that's tailored to each artist. Unlike many other distributors that simply upload your tracks and leave you to promote them, Redeye takes a more active role in strategizing releases, helping with playlist placements, and offering insights into market trends. They also have established relationships with media outlets and stores worldwide, giving your music a real shot at global exposure. However, Redeye works best for artists who already have a growing audience or a unique niche, as their services are more specialized and selective compared to open platform distributors. That said, it's important to note that Redeye is not a one-size-fits-all solution. They don't cater to just anyone, as they require potential clients to apply for their services. If you're just starting out and lack a fan base, it might not be the right fit for you. But if you're an independent artist or a small label with a proven track record, Redeye can offer you a tailored, hands-on approach to distribution that's hard to find elsewhere. In conclusion, Redeye Worldwide is ideal for musicians and labels who are serious about expanding their reach with a focus on personalized service. If you're already established and want a partner to help elevate your music, this could be the perfect solution. However, for newer artists, a more accessible platform might be a better starting point.